Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today we are in Mellieha, Al-Ahrash of Mellieha, and today we're going to visit that bay there. It is called Slugs Bay, and a beautiful trekking to go down to that route. To start our path, we're going to start from here. There's a pillbox, and as you can see here, the view is very nice. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's a nice day. So let's start our journey. Now we are following this footpath here. As you can see, here are everywhere. It's crumbling down the rock, so you have to take care where you walk here. Always the pity what we can see. People do this kind of stuff here, and it's a pity, and they leave their trash here. And here we find the way where we start going down. This is the path. It's in nature. This is nice to walk onto. And when you are going down, the views are beautiful here. Now we have the sun as well. This is the bay I was telling you about. Slugs Bay is a very like private, small, not private because it's owned by somebody, but it's normally there you don't find a lot of people here. Look how nice here it is. This is the view from here, and we have to walk to this side. It's a nice walk and easy. Anybody can do this walk here. This is the famous Slugs Bay. We are nearly there. My friends are on the other side. We have to walk around to go to that area. You see, this Slugs Bay. Now we have reached Slugs Bay. This is the smallest bay. There's some sand here, very small. When there's some people here, it's very cramped. And there's water coming in from like a small dog there. It have a sandy bottom. Very nice, yeah? Slugs Bay here. We have Stuart here and Jovin, and here we find a small cave, and as always a pity with graffiti. Yeah? This is another view of this bay. Beautiful here. And around here we can find open sea. Here you can see the entrance to the bay from the sea, from the open sea. And this is the area we are in. Up there are some fish farms as well. This is the cave that I was telling you about before, where there's Lawrence in green. Mandy! This is our friend Mandy. Now we have left Slugs Bay and we are going to explore further in. Now we are moving into the space where there's sand and a small cave. Behind me there's Lawrence and there's Jovin. Look. Well, we have gone down from here, and now we have reached this opening here. Okay. There's some caves as well, they are passing to the cave. You can move behind them. And you go up that side. Out here. And this bay is very nice. You know, we are going from here. We go up. On this one. Now you can see here. You're going to go up. Now it's my turn to go up. Go from here. Oh, it's here. Huh? Well, I'm trying to follow these guys here. Here is not so easy like the other places at us. Now we are following Wendy. Come on, Wendy. Hey, Wendy. Hey, go down, Wendy.
Wendy.
Hey, Wendy. 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 Hey. Come. Hey, move. Move. Okay. Wendy. Right for us, Wendy. 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 Hey, family. Right here. Show.
Hey, yeah. Duck.
Fran here. And Stuart. Hey, Stu. Show us how athletic you are. Hey. And Wendy is our guide today. We are moving more inland towards Adira Bay, although we are about a mile away or more. Here is not suitable for our people because it involves some boulders. Not that hard, but one have to take care. But if you see, everything is unique. Yeah. We are still exploring this area here. We are very close to the sea. If you can see them there in the sea, you can see 3 cages where they farm tuna. Yeah, how nice it is here. We are going back up from another route. You can see Lawrence coming up. Here everywhere the rock is crumbling down. Eh? Now we have started going our way back, not from where we came, but a more difficult route, so it's not ideal for small children. Oops. Now we have to put the camera away, probably. You're negotiating the route up here.
طلع اتفخم فوق ام
Alright. This is the view where we were before, and now we're going to start moving up to where we came from. This is a very challenging part, so people come here, take care. There's a very curious rock formation that has eroded, and it's like a skull or something like that. Here we started our way back. This part here and that part here is where we found those small caves, very nice. Up there is Slugs Bay, and we are heading back from up here, going back to our camp. So let's continue this beautiful trek. Look the views from here. What do you think? See? Big chunks of rock the size of a house or bigger that is crumbling down. Now this looks something very lately. Slugs Bay, we had found this man-made cave. Looks like man-made. Here it looks like it has even some kind of doors. Usually it's littered with things as if somebody used to live here, and it's a pity. Yeah. We have even a TV here. What you can ask for more? Huh? And it has a lot of carvings in it, so that's a pity. And we have another TV here. It's interesting, yeah? Well, this is the cave from another perspective here. It's a pity, all the stuff in it. It's in it. Hope you enjoyed today's adventure, and you like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.